Hi and welcome to AW Specialist Repairs and Black Stag Styling. As you can see, in today we have an absolute beast of a Nissan GT-R. So this has had numerous upgrades by Litchfield and is running at just a tad under 1,000 brake horsepower. So it is an absolute animal. That's nothing to do with what it's in for. It's actually in with us to have some bodywork repairs. Purely from doing some rolling half-mile runs, timed runs. So due to the tyres, of course, it's picked up the stones and caused damage to the sills and other bits and pieces. So we've got into repair and paint sills either side, rear quarter panels, rear bumper sections and lower skirt. Also all four alloy wheels as well. Stay tuned for more of that. As always, thanks for checking out this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It's a massive help to us. And also, of course, you get to stay up to date with all our latest videos. Check out the links below, some really good ones there, down to our merchandise, hoodies, t-shirts with our Black Stag Styling, available to purchase, and of course our Facebook and Instagram links. Stay tuned for more. Lovely jobbly. Woohoo! And here we are with James and Mark having a little lay down.
James, you've got pants on, haven't you, James?
No pants
Come
on.
through, boys. Come through. Come through, one side, boys.
Come through.
Stupid.
Oh.
Make sure don't fall off. Hiya.
Hiya. Hello. Right, we're now removing all the parts off the Nissan. Mr G and Mr C are now removing the side skirts. What are you doing right now, James?
Take the side skirt off.
Okay.
You just said that.
Silly boy.
And we get the wheels off as well. Rear of the car is all stripped, as you can see. Adam's round the corner removing the wheels. Hello, Adam.
Hello, Alex. Hi, Mum.
And here we have the rear bumper. So there's both sides of that to be repaired. The rear section, lower section as well.
Look at this.
There we go, look.
Look at the stone chips on there.
Bit of stone chip damage there, mate. So that'll be fully repaired and painted. Painted. Lovely jubbly. Get all the bits off first and then we're ready to go. James is just struggling to get up.
I've got a big stone around my knee here.
Oh, mate. Oh, poor. He's hurt his knee.
Get a first aid kit.
I'm bleeding around here.
Yeah, no service,
Oh, this, James?
Yes.
Hello, James.
Hello, mate.
Stripping the old bumper, but.
you know it.
Hi there, young Adam.
Right. We're
So
right.
what we? I'm very well. And yourself?
Yeah.
How's the family?
Family's well, yeah, all good. Yeah. Any holidays planned?
No, I haven't, mate.
No holidays planned.
No, you?
I've got a few sort of camping trips.
Have you?
Look forward to, yeah.
I cleared that with the boss.
Yeah.
The
Take
wife, that is.
Take
The
the whole
wife.
of order stuff. I have.
Oh, nice. Nice.
And we're just taking out some interior trims to be repaired and painted.
Lovely. So I'll venture on the other side so we can see. We get, oh look, lots of fixings. Woohoo!
Too many.
Definitely too many of them. Here we go, right. Can you open the door? Perfect, look, perfect. There we go.
Mate,
Here we are, look, we're back with Adam again.
I'll have to swap round to the other good side of you.
I wouldn't worry, mate, neither's that good, is it?
Oh, mate, there's no need to be like that, is there? Really?
So we're repairing this, or taking the centre console out to repair
the
that.
centre bit out because it's a little bit chipped, a few little chips. And this bit has got a bit of damage on the side, which if it come out, I'll show you.
That looks a little bit fiddly to get that out.
It is a little bit fiddly, a little bit fragile.
Are you working from the right to the left, or the left to
From
the
the
right?
right to the left, from the top to the bottom.
We'll just take working, Gaff.
Come on, don't be like... Here we go, I think we're coming
He's
now.
getting it, he's there.
Here he is.
There we go, look.
Look at the size of him.
That's got some scratches on there, is it?
Damage up here, look.
Oh yeah, okay,
Damage
yeah.
here. So
Little
we're
bit
gonna
down there.
sand it back, retexture it and recolour it. Good as new.
Lovely jubbly. And then we got, what we got to get out of the middle?
That's already gone, mate.
Oh, we've already got the middle bit out. We're on
there
it.
on the door, look.
He's on it. Like a car bonnet. There we go. So,
There he is, mate.
there we go, there's the middle section. A few little chips on this,
Just a
isn't
few little chips.
it? Nothing too major.
Minor damage.
Okay, and we're going gloss black.
Going
for
gloss
that, are we?
black, yeah.
Lovely, so a little bit of a change. Excellent.
What else do you want to see?
Yeah, no, nothing else, mate. Nothing else to see here.
Right, we're now in the spray booth with the GT-R bits, the two side skirts and the lower rear bumper skirt. They've all been highly primed, all the primer's been flattened back. We're now ready to start laying down base.
Lovely.
GT-R wheels in the booth. We're just doing the faces. It was so many stone chip damage, so they've all been prepped up and masked out. I've got a couple of other bits in here as well, fuel tank and a wheel for old chap, you know.
Old chap.
That all needs to be done in black epoxy, so I'm going to hit them all at the same time.
Excellent. Make your belt. So these are the side skirts now all repaired and painted. Looking real nice again. And we'll be getting them on shortly. Lovely. Old Gaff's now working on the rear bumper, get that all back together, and then that'll be going back on the car as well. Right, I've already repaired and painted the rear quarter panels, and we've blended into the doors. So that's just got to be finished being all polished and everything fitted up once we got the rear bumper on. Looking really good.
Oh, lovely times!
Oh, shut up, James!
Oh, blimey, James.
Oh, James.
That's lovely, lovely moves you've got there, James.
We watched.
If you've got a full tank,
We are now all finished with the Nissan GT-R. So just so you know, this is the LM975 one. So it has the 975 brake horsepower, which is achieved with the upgraded engine, so different engine in it, and gearbox. Amazing bit of kit, really, really impressive. I've had the pleasure of going out for a spin with the owner in this one, so very good. We're now all finished with all of our work, so as you'll know, we've done rear quarter panels, lower side skirts, rear bumper corners and skirts, all four wheels, some other bits and pieces and touch-ins, and we've blended into the doors because this is a white staged pearl colour. So to make sure that the colour stays the same as you look across the car, we've blended the doors. Everything's all done. We're going to get it out, do a few shots outside to finish our video off. Thanks for checking out the latest addition to our channel. Like and subscribe to stay up to date with all of our videos. Check out the links below, and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Woohoo! Lovely times!